So in this video, I'm going to start rebuilding the bike. I've started putting the bolts back and holding the engine in place, and then I think from there I'll start put the wheels back on so I can get it held up properly, and then wiring and all the wee bits and bobs really. So far I've got the engine in, back wheel on, shock on, and I'm just working on getting the front wheel on now. Since I'm doing it myself, I think what I'm going to do, just to make it a bit easier, is take the wheel off the forks and then put the forks and yoke and that back in, and then I'll be able to put the wheel on a bit easier, I think. So this is where we are. What I'm going to do is take the wheel off, get the forks back on. I got new bearings, bearing races in, top ones there. So let's get started. So I've got the front forks on. So what I'm going to do is, I think I'll try and get the top of the yoke and the wiring, lumen, clocks and all that on top of that, just to set the forks, and then take it from there. So what you've just seen is putting on the back wheel and tapping some holes for the foot peg, just for the foot pegs to be put back on. What I've done since then is got the wiring laid in, all connected up, and got handlebars on, got the front wheel back on, and just a couple of wee bits like the horn and kind of rear brake, stuff like that. Here it is just now, starting to look like a bike again. I think what I'm going to do with the, front fender, plastics, the side fins and the rear bit is I'll probably get them wrapped. I feel like it'll look a lot better than just the white sticking out. Since I've been making pretty good progress on the bike, I think what I'm going to do is get a layer of paint on the inside of the tank and possibly put a clear coat on it. I don't think I'm going to do the purple stripe, just keep it plain and see how it goes. Now that I've got the paint on the tank done, what I'm going to do is get the airbox in. I probably need to take the carb out again for that, to fit it in past the frame. Then I'll just need to tidy bits up, really get the indicators on the back and front, get the handlebar wiring kind of tidied, get the light on, get the handlebars and grip, brake, clutch, controls on, couple of wee things like the gear change and stuff like that. Then getting quite close to finish, and I think what I'll actually do is probably just get plastered it for the plastics, and it'll just kind of tidy them up a bit, and see you then.